OpenAI o3-mini is their latest release in the reasoning models family, and this is also their most cost-effective reasoning. This would replace o1-mini, and what they're saying is that this particular model is going to be 90% cheaper than o1 also. It's significantly faster and it supports streaming. This particular model basically is actually, it supports something like developer features like function calling, structured outputs, developer messages, right, making it production ready out of the gate. This will also support streaming. Developers can choose between 3 reasoning effort options, low, medium and high, to optimize for their specific use cases. So this flexibility allows to think harder when tackling complex challenges or prioritize speed when latency is a concern. It doesn't support vision capabilities. So for visual reasoning, you still need to use OpenAI o1. So this is rolling out in Chat Completions API, Assistants API and Batch API starting yesterday itself, right? And Chat GPT Plus Team and Pro users can access this mini today with enterprise access coming in February. This particular model is also available for free users on ChatGPT. This is the first time they are allowing it over here on free ChatGPT. And over here, what you need to do is that you can select reason. You can also search at the same time. So it will combine both of them. And given a question like this, right? I asked, a study found people who drink coffee regularly have a lower risk of developing Parkinson's disease. Does this mean coffee prevents Parkinson's disease? So it's a reasoning question. So over here, it actually does pull some reports, basically studies from the web, and then performs reasoning on it, and then it gives a very good response over here in saying that, in simple terms, think of it like this: just because people who take a certain vitamin tend to be healthier doesn't mean the vitamin is sole reason for their better health. Similarly, for many factors work together. While coffee might be one helpful piece, it isn't a magic bullet for preventing Parkinson's disease. Okay, so you can try out o3-mini over here. By default, if you select reason, it selects that particular model in free ChatGPT, and you can test it out. Okay, they have released the API, and they have also provided a nice developer notes over here on how reasoning models work and how advise on how to prompt reasoning models and some use case examples. So you can check out the use case examples over here as well. If you look at the pricing, as I said, this is much more cheaper than OpenAI o1, 93%. And why is this a model good as OpenAI o1? So if you look at what they're saying is that it is fast, powerful and optimized for STEM reasoning, right? For coding and STEM kind of use cases, math, science, coding. Basically, it delivers faster responses as well. So if you look at their results over here, what they're saying is that if you allow o3-mini to think for more, right, in the high effort thing, it gives better results, and it gives almost similar results to o1 on many benchmarks. It even beats o1 on certain benchmarks, right? So in PhD level thinking, it is slightly better than o1, okay, with the high effort. So that's the advantage of using high effort over here. It kind of validates the thought that if you allow the reasoning model to think for more time, it gives better responses. Okay, so you can go and try out o3-mini now, either in API or in free ChatGPT, and see how it works for your use cases. So this is a short video on OpenAI o3-mini. I hope this video is useful to you. See you in another video.